Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2015 Toyota Camry, we're gonna be replacing the front headlight lenses. Let's get started. First thing we wanna do is pull off our plastic cover. Have just a little angled pick or a flat screwdriver. Get right in here and pull up, just like that. We're just separating the clip. We'll do that for all of them. There's quite a few. Just look around, pop them all out. This whole thing should just lift up and out. And we have 3 more clips, 2 on the side and 1 in the center. Get the center one first, pop that out. Now these on the side are just clips. If you go underneath, you can pop on them and that whole thing comes out just like that. Do that to this other one. There, perfect. It should be free. Okay, now let's go to our wheel well. For our wheel well, we just have 2 clips. This top one up here, just pop that out. There we go. Just a tiny little guy. And then this one here, we can turn 90 degrees. There we go. And it should pop out. And now we'll take this right here and just kind of pull on it and pop it away. There, perfect. That's it for here. We're gonna leave everything underneath still attached. We only need this upper part to separate from our headlight so we can get access to these bolts. To separate it from our fender, we come over here, push this back just a little, and pull. There we go. We'll do that to the other side. Get right back here and pull. Nice. We'll push it forward. That's all the room we need. We can pull this back and get our bolts. We have 3 10mm bolts we can get from up top. And then one we'll get from the side. There, dropped one, got it. Let me zoom you a little closer to show you these 2 spots. So when it comes to here, we just want to pull up on this and get it up and over that little spot there. And then same here, we want to get it up and over that center. Use a little screwdriver to pop up on it. There we go. Move this forward, just like that. There we go. There, perfect. Now in the back, we have our electrical connectors. Just want to pinch and pull off. Let me zoom you in. We got 1 spot for that harness. So our electrical connectors are pretty easy. They're just a pinch and pull off. So all 3 of them just pinch, pull. And then our harness right here, we could take a flat screwdriver and just push these 2 sides in and push out. And that frees our whole headlight assembly. Just push this in. Like that and like that. Some new assemblies do come with new bulbs, some do not. If yours do not, just pull your old ones out, twist it, and you can insert it into your new one before installing it. You know the drill by now. We got these 3. And we got this side one right up front. Get that with a magnet too. Perfect. Lift up on these. Up here. Pull this forward and pull this out. There we go. Pull these electrical connectors off. And then that one harness. All right, there we go. Because I'm not sure if the battery will get in the way, I'm gonna go ahead and plug these in first. All right, get it all situated. There we go. Put in my side one. Use my magnet for this front one. Twist it, get it started. Pull the magnet off. Now, putting the bumper back on is relatively straightforward. We'll lift it up, push it in, get it right there. And then we'll smack on it, and that'll lock it in place. All right, just like that. We'll do that to the other side. Lift up on it. Get it to line up, just like that. Smack on it. Perfect. Get our little side piece in. All right, let's lock up the other side. So we'll pop our fender back. Just like that. Push this forward. There, like that. We'll put our long one in first. We'll twist it 90 degrees. There we go, that locks it. Then we got this clip, just goes up top. Nice. We have our big ones, we'll pop in and just push down. Then our center clip, throw this on. Put all these clips back. All right, that is it. Let me show you how to adjust the headlights if needed. Right here on top is the headlight adjuster. You can either turn it left or right, and that will raise or lower the headlight beam as needed. And that's it. All right, that's how you can replace headlight lenses on your Toyota Camry. All in all, not too crazy, and you get nice brand new lenses. I have links in the description for all the parts and tools used. If you have any questions, comment, post down below. We'll see you on the next one.